In this video, let's go over the top stocks that I am watching for this week. We got a lot of great setups, and this week is looking very nice. We got option plays, and we also got shares play. And my job in this video is to help you guys be prepared for this week. So let's get started. Subscribe with notifications on, and let's get started. Now, the main economic catalyst and the only concern for this week is we do have inflation numbers on Wednesday. So on Wednesday we have inflation numbers, and on Thursday we also have inflation numbers, which is the PPI. So pretty much 1 hour before market opens, we are either going to gap up or gap down with this uncertain catalyst. So we either go up or go down, and you guys can see the report and the news 1 hour before market opens. So if you're holding any short-term option plays, this is going to be a concern for you, because we're going to have a lot of volatility before market opens on Wednesday. So that is really it for the economic concern for this week and the news concern. So let's get started with the technical analysis and the charts. So SPY on the daily and the weekly looks incredibly nice, very nice. We have this nice symmetrical triangle pennant, and the question is, are we gonna go for all-time highs if we do break out of this consolidation period? Pretty much the whole month of August was red. So with September, right now we are in September, are we gonna have a nice green bullish month of September? So let's take a look at the monthly candle. Again, looks very interesting. Are we gonna hit all-time highs this month? That is the question. On the daily, it looks even better. We have this nice consolidation level on the SPY. We have a massive symmetrical triangle. So one thing to keep in mind is that we are getting ready for a move. Okay, SPY is getting ready for a massive explosive move to the upside as we are consolidating between these zones. We have a nice level of support and we have a nice level of resistance. So we need to hold and we need to trade between these levels to be bullish. Okay, we are bearish below our 445 level. Okay, we are bearish below this level. If we start breaking this level of support, we are bearish, and we are above the level of resistance for the SPY. So these are our two scenarios for the SPY for this week. But overall, it does look incredible and it does look very nice. And the personal bias for me is bullish, which I'll be going over more with the QQQ. So QQQ looks even better because we have this massive level of support going all the way back from last year. We have this massive level of support, and then we have this massive level of resistance, which we have been forming since July. So QQQ looks incredible, especially on the weekly time frame. This really looks like a great setup, and especially now we are at the level of resistance. We are getting ready for a huge breakout to the upside to hit all-time highs. You know, we have all been trading sideways for the previous past 2 months, and we are setting up a move for the all-time high. So we got to really be prepared for this incredible breakout that has yet to come. So this is going to be a huge breakout coming in later down a couple days and couple weeks, and that is why this week is going to be very important. So Apple is a very interesting setup. This is going to be an incredible setup for options and shares. Taking a look at Apple on the daily and the weekly time frame, we have this massive level of support, which is a previous level of resistance. So this was a previous level of resistance, and we came back down to touch this level, and we are consolidating very nice. On top of that, we have the Apple event coming up, which is going to be a huge catalyst for Apple stock. So Apple is looking extremely bullish. We also have a nice bounce off of the descending triangle, and we have this nice level of gap that we are filling up, and then we have this level of resistance. So Apple is looking good, especially for shares. If we hold this level of support, Apple is looking great for long-term, couple month out shares. Next we have Tesla, and Tesla is looking incredible. Taking a look at the bigger time frame, on the weekly time frame, we have a massive level of resistance for Tesla. Okay, we have this massive downtrend level of resistance where we are trying to break this massive downtrend to the upside, and then we have this level of support. So Tesla is looking extremely bullish if we do break out to the upside. This is going to be a long-term shares play. So shares play on Tesla, that is going to be looking very nice for Tesla. So definitely watching Tesla this week as we are approaching the level of resistance. Roblox, we made a whole video on Roblox, so make sure to check that out. But Roblox stock is looking bullish as we are hitting this level of support. This is going to be a nice play for shares as well as options, especially with shares. I love the risk to reward because we can potentially have a nice even 70% gain on Roblox shares. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with notifications on, and see you guys later.